Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. It sets expectations before anyone steps inside and plays a major role in how your property is perceived from the street. For homeowners in Austin, where architectural styles range from modern to traditional, the right entry door can dramatically improve curb appeal while also enhancing comfort, security, and everyday convenience. First impressions start at the front door. Curb appeal is all about first impressions, and your entry door is the focal point of your home's exterior. A worn, outdated, or mismatched door can make an otherwise beautiful home feel neglected. On the other hand, a well-chosen entry door instantly adds character, polish, and personality. In Austin neighborhoods, where homes often reflect unique design preferences, an entry door becomes a statement piece. Whether your home leans contemporary, classic, or somewhere in between, the door you choose helps define its overall look and style. Enhancing architectural style, an entry door should complement your home's architecture rather than compete with it. Clean lines, panel details, glass inserts, and color choices all play a role in how cohesive your exterior feels. When the door aligns with the home's design, the entire property looks more intentional and well cared for. Many Austin homeowners choose entry doors that enhance their home's existing features while adding a fresh, updated appearance. Even small design changes can make a noticeable difference when the front door is thoughtfully selected. Improving comfort and everyday function beyond appearance, entry doors contribute directly to indoor comfort. A high-quality door helps reduce drafts, manage temperature changes, and create a more stable indoor environment. Older doors often allow air leaks that make entryways feel uncomfortable and increase strain on heating and cooling systems. For Austin homes, where comfort matters year-round, a properly fitted entry door helps maintain consistent indoor conditions. This leads to a more enjoyable living space and fewer temperature fluctuations near the front of the home. Supporting home security, an entry door also serves as a key layer of protection for your home. Solid construction, reliable locking systems, and a secure fit all help keep your household safer. When a door feels sturdy and functions smoothly, it provides peace of mind every time you leave or return home. Austin homeowners value entry doors that combine visual appeal with dependable performance. A door that looks great and feels secure offers confidence without sacrificing style. Increasing property value and buyer appeal. Curb appeal isn't just about enjoying your home, it also affects property value. Entry doors are one of the first upgrades potential buyers notice, and a modern, well-maintained door can make a strong impression during showings. Homes in Austin that feel updated and welcoming from the outside often attract more interest. Even if selling isn't on your immediate horizon, investing in a quality entry door adds long-term value and makes your home more marketable in the future. Creating a welcoming atmosphere, your entry door plays a role in how your home feels to guests and residents alike. A door that opens smoothly, looks inviting, and complements the surrounding exterior creates a warm, welcoming atmosphere. It signals care, pride, and attention to detail. For many Austin homeowners, the front door is more than just an entry point, it's part of daily life. Whether greeting visitors, coming home after a long day, or simply enjoying the look of your house from the street, the right entry door makes a lasting impact. A simple upgrade with big visual impact. Upgrading an entry door is one of the most effective ways to enhance curb appeal without a full exterior renovation. It delivers immediate visual improvement while also supporting comfort, security, and functionality. For Austin homes, entry doors matter because they combine style and performance in one essential feature, helping your home look better, feel more comfortable, and stand out for all the right reasons.